What's up guys, it's Mike here with Grow Indoors 365 and today I'm going to do an unboxing. First, I'm going to do the Mars Hydro Lite as well as the Mars Hydro Temp. Let's get started. This video is going to be an unboxing. We're just going to take a look at what they are and what we got in here. I don't even know. This might be the light. I think this is the light. Nice packaging from Mars Hydro. Came with this really interesting, this is an interesting way of packing things. Piece of wood like that, and it covered this here. Let me actually bring the camera closer so we can take a closer look. Alright, so let's take a look at what we have. Very interesting light design. Very interesting. Very futuristic looking. I mean, look at this thing. By the way, how cool is my little box opener? What else do we have inside here? These are the pulleys. This is the pulley system. As you can see here, it fastens to the light probably, as well as the ropes, how they fasten, and it pulls up and down however you need it to. And it comes with the Mars Hydro user manual. I like it. I like that they have tomatoes right there. We're probably going to have to end up using that for my tomatoes because I'm going to show you guys what I got upstairs. So very cool. Alright. Very simple. Okay. I like it. Very, very easy. Never saw. I mean, this is interesting. This is, I forgot what this is called, but it's basically like more power to the light. Very cool looking. Okay, here's the that's what that looks like. Real nice looking. That's a crazy looking light. Actually wondering how do I even, where's the pulley system go? That's what I'm interested in. I mean, did it show you here how the pulley system? Okay, it's supposed to, I guess the rope goes right around there. Like some serious, super serious light. Very interesting. Okay, well, this is what that looks like. And I'm going to light it up in just a little bit as soon as I get the tent set up. Alright, cool. Let's move forward to the tent. To show you guys how it's all set up, I kind of had these, so it came with these little pulley systems. I know it's a bit dark and it's really impossible to get any lighter in here, but basically this is being held by these metal kind of clamps at the top, as you can see there, and it's being holstered by this bar right here that comes with the tent. So overall, as you can see, this could move around, okay, as you needed to position. This is how the light stays stabilized on there. Now I'm going to put the camera down and I'm going to turn on the light because it's really dangerous for the eyes. Alright, as you can see there, it's lit up. I don't even want to look inside. It's actually not as bad as I thought, but man, those things get bright. Let me just actually go in a little closer so you can see. I don't want to look at the light because I prefer to wear some protective eye gear. You got to be very careful when you're dealing with these type of lights. Very careful. These could be very powerful. And that's it. This is how it stands up there, as you can see now. And now I can actually get a better picture for you guys. This is how it's up there like that. And it's nice and stable. Alright, so it should do pretty well inside this grow area. It looks like it's covering it really well, especially with full mylar. Once it's all really closed in and the light is jumping around, you should be able to get a really nice reflective heat on the inside of this. Alright, on to the next video of showing you how I set up this Mars Hydro tent. Let's make it.
All right. I know what you're thinking. That's not the best content. You didn't come here to watch me put up a tent, but hey, a lot of people out there have never seen an indoor tent be put together. I'm glad I added a little bit of music to make it fun, and I had that at a speed of 450 times the normal speed. Anyway, let's get to it. Let me just show you guys again. This is the 2x2 Mars Hydro. Honestly, for me, it's a bit small. But it all depends on your preference and your space. As you guys can see now, let me back up. This will soon be a actual active grow area, like that actual tent. I will start growing in there. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be doing, but it's going to be in the next couple of days. And of course, I have my mega, my large tent. I could really use one more of this. And I will go through, for all the people out there that are recently connected with me in relations to wanting exactly what I want, the specific dimensions, because when a link gets put out there at the bottom of the videos, it takes you to a product that I recommend in relations to me using it before, but it's up to you on knowing what space and size of things that you're looking to put in your space. I can't determine that for you, but I will go into one separate video of everything that I have in relations to sizes. So if you wanted the exact spec that I have, just to know, not that to have, just to know, I will make a video for that. But let's get to this. So I did unboxing on the Mars Hydro tent. This is the 2x2. The link is down below for the Mars Hydro tent. Okay, and I will be doing a separate video for the light. But this is the bottom part. So this actually goes on the bottom of the tent on the inside. This way, when you have plants or whatever you have, if there's any water spillage, it will actually collect, you know, basically hold it. It won't go to the floor. So this comes on regular tents. On this specific Mars Hydro, you got a exhaust opening here, exhaust opening at the top, exhaust opening up at the side. It came with this little thing here that you could, you know, a little compartment pouch. You could put stuff in there. That's all right. It came with this. It's like a front screen that you could look into. It's not bad. I prefer nothing in the front, but it's not bad. Overall, I actually do like the quality. Okay, compared to what I have here, this is decent. The quality here is way different. You could actually tell by the fabric. This quality is nice. I have to say the stitching on it is really well done. The zipper, let me see, comparing on an angle at this time, I mean, the tent is new. I could say that that is a pretty good, let me just look at the one I have right here. Yeah, you could tell. I mean, this is a little flimsier. I don't have the best, that one, this huge tent was only like, I don't even know, 100 something bucks, but I got it years ago. But you could tell by the size of this, it's much thicker. I would have really liked to see, instead of this having to tie here, there's a string up top here. Sorry. There's a string up top here and a string that comes with the door. Instead of tying, I would have really liked to see that as a Velcro, because what I do with my doors, when I open them up, on this one, on my large grow, you see this little thing here? It's a little Velcro piece, and when that is completely out, all I gotta do is bring it back here, and I put it up against this Velcro, and it stays closed. I mean, it stays open. By the way, here's a quick glimpse of what's currently going on in here. All right, this isn't the time for that, but also there's an opening compartment down here. These are just like vent compartments, and the zipper down at the bottom, it actually goes all the way around. Okay, it opens all the way around. On the inside, it's nothing special. Regular Mylar construction. It actually does seem a little thicker. Let me compare it to what I have over here. Yeah, it's different. Okay, I guess everybody's used it. You can definitely tell the difference in the fabric here. This is definitely a bit thicker. It's nice. The overall construction is nice. The whole thing is finding maybe a multi-tier that you could put in here on the tent this size. Or if you were going to, you would just set up a couple of pots right here, maybe tomato, whatever else, and then have your light going down this way. As you can see here, that's how I set up the light. Okay, this is also the Mars Hydro Light, the LED, and I'll go into the details in relations to that too. But overall, the tent is nice. The quality is there. So if you're looking for a good quality tent, I do recommend it. I don't see anything in particularly terrible about it. So I think it's a good buy if you're looking for a high quality tent that will last you for quite a while. I'll see what I make with this, and we'll see how I could use it. You know, for my space, even though I have a large space, I like a lot of yield. You know, I'm already testing out what I'm going to be doing in there, and it looks like this shelving, it wasn't even meant for this, but it's actually going to work perfectly in there. So I have to figure it out, because I do need another tier to go up top here. This way I could have the light, a tier for the reservoir, and for the other thing. And I'm probably going to take something from here and add it onto here and utilize that grow tent right there. So again, it's all up to what size you're looking for. I give this thing a thumbs up. Okay, I give this thing I definitely give this thing like an A-. Okay, on an honest review. Because there's just a couple of things that I like. Listen, I don't want this door to be open. I don't want to tie it. But overall, I can't say that the quality of the Mars Hydro is bad in any which way. It is a very high quality Mylar inside. It's got a lot of areas that you could ventilate the inside here, and the zipper quality. That's what you're looking for. Tents are all about quality of material, nothing else. Everything else is the same. All these other materials, these sticks and everything else, they're all the same on every single tent. But companies such as Mars Hydro, they decided to go the extra mile in relations to the different type of Mylar on the inside, as well as the zipper quality and the stitching, as well as the outside fabric, from what I could see. Very nice. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys on the Mars Hydro tent. The link is down below. Make sure to give me the thumbs up. This is just a unboxing review. Thanks for watching, guys. Way more to come.